Welcome back everyone, I'm Jayz. This time we are not reviewing any camera, lens or gear. Some of the people are curious, how do we film our YouTube video? Today, it's more like a secret unveil plus a little bit of studio tour and helping our friend to set up his YouTube talking head. There's quite a lot to cover. Let's get started. Ever since last year, our YouTube channel background is changing to this. And you will find it's very similar to another YouTuber, Z. No surprise, me and Z collaborate together and we synergize our resources and we invest money together to build this new studio to continue bring good content to everyone. So, you don't mind, right? Alright, let's have a wide shot to see how's our talking head set up. Which one shall we start? Lighting, mic? Camera. We have multiple choice of camera. Usually you will not stick with just one camera. But myself, most of the time will be this A7 III and the lens choice is from wide angle 12mm all the way to 50mm in this studio. Depending on the content of the review video. Sometimes if I want to have a fun field of view, I will use the relatively wide angle, which is this one, even up to 12mm. This is how 16mm look, too wide I bet. Sometimes when I want to get some fun field of view, yep, this will be. When the topic get real serious, it's either on 35mm like right now, or a 50mm. This is 50mm. Where else in the middle will be 20 or 24mm. And all the lens perform very well on autofocus tracking on face and subject. Let's see. Yes. Yes. With one exception, the 50mm. Let's hope Sony renew this lens real soon. Maybe a G Master. So, the next thing. Next to the camera, you will find a Dell PC monitor. That's ZOPC. And now we use it to monitor ourselves and do some framing works. And yeah, this is the A7 III. This is the shelf that almost every YouTuber have it. We used to put our cameras here or something that related to whatever topic we are talking right now. And push this away. That's my script. Next thing, let's give you a 3 seconds to pick. Is audio more important or lighting more important? 3, 2, 1. They are equally important. But if you really want me to choose one, I will go for audio. Because light, we have natural light, we have sun, so long you go outdoor, you get lighting. But audio, if you're without a good mic or good audio system, your video basically sucks. Let's do a quick test. This is straight from the camera and this is from the mic. Testing 1, 2, 3 camera. Testing 1, 2, 3 mic. But since we talk about audio and I'm not any expert of it, I better invite someone better than me. See? Okay, hold on. Yep.
I mean, I wouldn't consider myself an audio expert by any means, but credit where it's due, it was Jayz's idea to carpet up the entire place. So we're standing on not super thick carpet, but it does wonders for at least dampening the early reflections and giving the whole room a slightly more acoustically, I don't want to say dead, slightly less acoustically, less reflective sound thingamajig going on. But let me just walk you guys through this audio setup. Right here, Jayz was speaking into the Rode NPG5. It's shock mounted on a Rode blimp without the pill capsule thingy going on. And that is actually going into this, the Rodecaster Pro. We are kind of using this as just a recorder and it's not nearly doing this panel that was made for podcasting any amount of justice. But it's got a nice big screen and a user interface. Like you could see all our levels bouncing around. It's really nice to see when you've got so many inputs going on. Great big record button so you just know that your audio is working. So you have a nice accessible view of your audio status. Very useful for other things as well, but at the moment we're using it as our recorder. But right now we've actually got quite a number of mics running in, so good thing that it's got so many inputs. This is the Rode NTG3. This is the one that I prefer to use on my voice. It's got a very boomy low end, which complements male voices quite well in general. But sometimes, like right now, I'm wearing a lavalier mic. Jayz was also wearing a lavalier mic when he was walking around. So these are wirelessly connected to the Rodecaster as well. This is a this is a Sennheiser MKE2. Don't mix up those two brands. This is a Sennheiser MKE2. Jayz was wearing a Rode Lavalier Go, the white one.
1, 2, 3. My check 1, 2, 3.
Yep, that's the one. Sometimes when we're lazy, say when we have 1 or 2 lines of voiceover to do and we're lazy to set up all this stuff, we have the Diri HDTX. Although it's a transmitter, we actually rarely use it as a transmitter. It's got a built-in recording function, so let me see if I can roll a clip here. And that's recording. So sometimes when we're really lazy, we go a little reporter style and we record from a mic straight into this little HDTX, and it kind of solves a lot of our problems with having a mic but not having a recorder. You just pop this on and you're good to go. That is actually pretty much it. We've got Jayz's beautiful Sennheiser HD25s here. Absolutely essential for monitoring audio. These are awesome. If you haven't got a pair, you should really consider this. But yeah, that's our audio setup thus far. Give me back the camera.
Now back to lighting. Previously, our main light source is a light dome with aperture 300x, but recently we changed to this Amaran 200x with a light dome SE. This is aperture new product and it's really very affordable. It's only cost like 1,500 ringgit, around there. If you want to see me do a review about it, maybe 10 comment will do. Yeah, 10 people comment, then I will do a review about this. But I bet Z gonna do the review real soon. And about this, yeah, this is a long softbox to simulate the hairline. Yeah, when I turn off, it's gonna look like this. But if I turn it on, yeah, it adds more like a separation for me to the background. And speaking of background, we have many background lines. Come. Starting off with this. Yeah, the king in the studio. Basically, it's been expensive. Rotolight X1, Titan X1. Rotolight Titan X1. This thing is cost like boom, but it's really good. It's an RGB WW. See, I can change the color easily. And not only that, there's way more function of it. So Z have a full in-depth review about it, link here. And the next thing about our RGB lighting, we have this Nanlite 330C power tube. Yep. So this is also a RGB light. Yeah. When we want to light our background. And of course, this one. Again, every YouTuber shelf that we used to display our thing. I mentioned too many times. And this one, Halo Edition light. This is the purple thing. Yeah, you can see. It's created a very unique look. It's basically, it's put not asparagus. It's put a lens in front of the light to create this special effect. And last, the good old Fido light that we usually simulate the sunlight. Let me off some RGB so you can see. I didn't off it. Yep. Yes, the main camera can see. Yeah, sunlight. This is the last time the look that you usually see. And oh yeah, one more light here. That's all. One more here. Yeah, a 300D Mark II for that. But this setup you seldom see in my set. You always see in Z set. You always love to try the wall. Yeah, try the wall. Yes. Let's turn it off. And oh, now it's very plain. Not all, still have one. It's quite plain. This is basically our set A talking head. We have another one. Come, let me show you. Yeah, carefully. Yeah, this is set B. Sometimes you will see in my video. There where the set A will become the background, and here we have a boom arm, set 1 mic. Sometimes we will do our VO here, just plug in HDTX or anything. And yeah, the main light source. But today we are not setting up. So basically, that's all. There you have it. A quick studio tour and how we usually set up my talking head. But one of our friends, Sam, he just started a YouTube channel last year and asked for help on what light should him buy for on a tight budget. I do recommend him a very affordable option for him. Godox SL60W is only less than 400 ringgit in Malaysia. But recently I reviewed his video, seemed like he's not using it proper. Shall we give him a hand? But this episode runtime I think is a bit too long for now, so to continue watch how I helped Sam to turn his editing setup to a better one, stay tuned for next video, which I will upload real soon. We'll go to Sam house to help him fine tune and set up his talking head A cam. If you like more videos just like this, like, comment and share. Let me know what you think about our studio. Any question you can ask, I will try to answer when I can. Thanks for support, subscribe if you haven't already, that's mean a lot to us and keep us moving. See you in the next one.